Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Only Ganit. This is Jahanvi, your math tutor, and I'm back with another video from the series on the topic functions. Now, this is the 13th video from the series functions, and in this video, we will be continuing the topic composite functions. Now, I have already uploaded two videos on this topic, which are part 11 and part 12. So if you have not watched those videos yet, you know what to do. The link is in the I button for the playlist. You can directly go and see part 11 and part 12 there. Now, the question that we are going to do right now is going to be a cakewalk for all those who have already watched my previous two videos. So let's get started. So the question is that if we are having a function f of x that equals 2x squared plus 1, and then we have another function g of x that equals 3 minus x, then we need to find, first of all, f of g of -2, and then in the second part we need to find g of f of -1. Now you can clearly see here in both of the composite functions what is the input. You can see here for the first one g of -2 is the input, and for the second one f of -1 is the input. Now let's do the first one. So in this you can see here, as I have already told, that g of -2 is your input, so we need to find its value first. So all we need to do in order to do that is replace your input x from the original function with the desired input, which is -2. So this will become g of -2 equals 3 minus, here also you will replace your x with -2. So that will give you 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. That means g of -2 equals 5. So this will become f of 5. So we have just replaced the value of g of -2 with 5. Now how to find the value of f of 5? In order to do that, we will go back to the function f, and here we will replace the input x with the desired input 5. So we will get f of 5 equals 2 times 5 squared plus 1. That equals 2 times 25 plus 1. That is equal to 50 plus 1. That is basically 51. That means your f of 5 is equal to 51, which is the value of the composite function f of g of -2. Let's do the next one now. Here we need to find the value of g of f of -1. So here you can see the input is f of -1. So we need to find its value in the very first step. So again here the input is -1. So we need to replace x with -1 everywhere in the original function. This will become f of -1 equals 2 times -1 squared plus 1. Now -1 squared is just 1. So it will become 2 times 1 plus 1, that equals 3. That means the value of f of -1 is 3. So I'm just going to put that in place of f of -1. So we will get g of 3. Now to find the value of g of 3, we will see this function, that is g of x equals 3 minus x. And here we need to replace x with the desired input 3 everywhere in the function. So we will get g of 3 equals 3 minus 3. You can see we have just replaced x with 3, and that is equal to 0. So that means the value of g of f of -1 equals 0. That's all for this video. Now, if you have any other doubts related to this question type, you can just put your question in the comment box, or you can even message me to the mail that you can see on your screen right now, which is only.ganit@gmail.com. It's pretty obvious that you got this one, but there might be some complex questions related to this exact type, so feel free to reach out to me.